Hi, Rich Bohr here from O'Shea Tire Service. A few weeks ago, I mentioned a plan that's been in the works since last year. For generations, families from Cortland and surrounding counties have trusted O'Shea's to always give our customers the best advice about their service and repair needs. Until now, we were only able to service and repair your vehicles, cars, trucks, commercial vehicles, for years, taking on all makes and models. But when it came to the one thing that we didn't do, we could only recommend another shop. Well, that's all changed now. We now have opened a new facility at 191 South Main Street. It's O'Shea Collison Center, state-of-the-art collision and paint center, staffed with people that meet and exceed what you have come to expect from O'Shea Tire Service since 1945. Give us a call at 344-3030 or O'Shea Tire at 753-3329, and we'll set everything up for you at O'Shea Collision Center, taking service to the next level.
O'Shea Collision Center, now open at 191 South Main Street. Give them a call at 344-3030.